What are common mistakes that ruin smart home energy savings?
Many people install smart home devices hoping to lower energy bills, but simple errors often prevent real savings. In this video, we'll answer the most common questions about mistakes that undermine your smart tech's ability to reduce energy consumption and how you can fix.
Do people forget to set up automation?
Yes, failing to use automation is a major mistake. Smart thermostats, lights, and plugs can save energy only if schedules and triggers are properly set. Without automation, devices just act like regular appliances, offering little benefit. Always take time to program routines based on your daily habits and energy-saving goals.
Is manual override a problem?
Manually overriding smart settings can quickly defeat energy-saving features. If you frequently adjust your thermostat or repeatedly turn on lights that the system turned off, you're likely increasing energy use. Trust the scheduled settings whenever possible, and involve your household in using the smart system correctly.
How important are regular updates?
Neglecting to update your devices or apps is another common pitfall. Firmware and software updates often include new energy-saving features, bug fixes, and improved scheduling. Skipping these updates may mean you miss out on better performance and additional savings. Always enable automatic updates or check for them regularly.
Do devices conflict with each other?
Poor integration between devices leads to inefficiency. If your smart lights, plugs, and thermostats aren't set to work together, you may accidentally cause them to waste energy. Use a unified app or ecosystem where possible, and check that automations aren't contradicting each other or running unnecessarily.
Are schedules out of sync with actual routines?
That's failing to update schedules when your habits change can hurt savings. If your system still heats or cools your home based on your old work schedule, or turns lights on when nobody's home, you're using more energy than needed. Review and adjust settings whenever routines shift for maximum efficiency.
How can you avoid these mistakes?
With a proactive approach, your smart home's energy savings, regularly review automations, educate everyone in your home, keep devices updated. With a proactive approach, your smart devices can deliver the energy reductions and convenience you're looking for.